Water. It's the single most important resource on the planet. And while 70% of the Earth's surface is made of water, the vast majority of that is unusable salt water. That leaves us with a dwindling water supply that needs to be protected. That's where flow meters come into the picture. Since most of our water usage comes from agricultural and industrial purposes, it makes sense to make sure we're using water in the most efficient way possible. And flow meters are the tools that help us do just that. With that in mind, we traveled to Kent, Washington to get a behind-the-scenes look at the world's greatest manufacturer of flow meters, Seametrics. Since 1990, Seametrics has dedicated itself to providing the industry's best flow meters, solving problems through innovation, and doing it all in a way that helps its customers get the most bang for their buck.
The amount of water in the world stays the same, but usable water changes, and that's really what's threatened. Usable water is water that is clean enough for the purpose and is also in the right location and is affordable, that it doesn't cost too much to use for the purpose. And what we really use our water for above all else is growing food. The biggest threat from there not being enough usable water is people going hungry. Seametrics is the world's greatest at what we do because we're very focused. And we design and manufacture products that monitor and measure the flow of liquids.
Created for industrial, irrigation, and OEM application use, Seametrics flow meters are truly made for the 21st century.
The technological abilities of our flow meters has to do with the electromagnetic field that you're seeing. Most of the meters that have been provided to various industries and homes over the years have been a mechanical product. There's some sort of a propeller or impeller moving around inside that eventually is going to break down. What the industry is gravitating towards is no moving parts meters. If you look inside of them, there's no parts that move. So from a maintenance standpoint, there's nothing to break down on them anymore. These are large digital electronic meters that are used in large farm applications, and what we're doing with those basically is they're pulling water from a surface source, rivers, lakes, and water being conductive, it creates a charge in the water that then tells the meter how fast the water's flowing so that you can record a number that X number of gallons just went through that meter.
For a company trying to help our world by conserving water, the word downtime isn't in the Seametrics dictionary. This is a company that remains in constant motion.
Seametrics is a company that believes in continuous improvement and lean manufacturing. With continuous improvement, you never rest because the work is not done. And we are coming out with products that are best in class, as well as world-class technology and certification that will lead us more into the future.
Save time, save money, and conserve resources. Seametrics, the world's greatest flow meters.